What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, and I hope you had a safe and happy holiday. Now, new year equals new mods, and we wanted to start the year off right with some hot new products. So this is New Products January. Let's get it started. Let's get this video started with something new from Wedssport. This is their TC105X. This one in an 18 by 9.5 plus 35 offset and a 5 by 114.3 bolt pattern, and weighing in at just under 18 pounds. Now this is their spiritual successor to the massively popular TC105N wheel, and with this update we get better styling as well as a lighter wheel. So if one of your New Year's resolution is better looks for your car, definitely check out the TC105X. These are the OLM Midnight Edition LED fog lights specific for the 15 plus WRX and the 15 through 17 STI. With a light output significantly higher than the factory fogs, these are going to light the road incredibly well, plus they have that nice, crisp, sharp cutoff line. The lenses themselves are a hard polycarbonate for damage resistance, and they're smoked for that stealthy blacked out look. If you were looking for significantly better light output as well as style, definitely check out the OLM Midnight Edition LED fog lights. And now for something a little bit different, this is the ReadyLift 2-inch lift kit specific for the 18 plus Crosstrek, but we also stock these for the newer generation Foresters and Outbacks as well. Now this is very heavy duty steel, all beautifully welded and powder coated black for durability. Plus, being a complete kit, you're gonna get your front spacers, your rear spacers, and end link spacers as well, because keeping that geometry between the strut and the sway bar is essential, especially when you're off-roading. Now for you guys out there who are wanting to raise up your Subaru, this ReadyLift kit is an essential. Up next is this Cusco pitch stop mount. Now this is going to work on basically any Subaru as long as you don't have a CVT transmission. Now this is going to reduce engine movement forwards and backwards, allowing the engine to put the power to the ground quicker. This 100% made in Japan piece is CNC'd out of a solid piece of aluminum, and then of course anodized in this classic Cusco blue color. If you're wanting something to pop inside the engine bay and you want it to perform as well, this Cusco pitch stop mount is the answer. And how about some carbon hotness specific for your WRX and STI? These are the Verus Engineering Sideskirts. These are made from a carbon thermoplastic material, which is the exact same stuff you're gonna find used in NASCAR and F1. With these being fully adjustable, you can dial in exactly how you want them to look on your car, anything from mild to very aggressive. But these are engineered for better aerodynamics, which means they're going to add more downforce and more grip, but they're also going to add a ton of style to the side of your WRX or STI. And if you want even more, we also sell the Verus Engineering side winglets specific for their side skirts. And made from the same hard carbon thermoplastic material, they're gonna be a perfect match. Again, designed primarily for aerodynamics, but this is going to be an easy way to get an even more aggressive style. Definitely check out these Verus Engineering pieces as well as the rest of their lineup. This is the IRP short throw shifter specific for the BRZ, FRS, and GT86 platform. This shifter features a 60% reduction in throw, along with being significantly taller, bringing the top of the shift knob closer to the steering wheel, allowing for quicker transition times between shifting and getting your hands back on the wheel. And unlike other extended length shift levers, with the reverse lockout being built directly into the knob, there's no more awkward hand movements trying to get into reverse. And what about styling? Well, that's always a personal preference, but this is one of the sexiest things that you can put on the inside of your car. So if you're wanting lightning quick gear changes and a massive boost in style, definitely check out the IRP Shifters. This is the Scosche Magic Mount Elite Bar. Now this will come in two colors, the space gray, which I'm holding here, as well as a silver ring version. This features incredibly strong magnets on both sides, which means that it'll stick to just about anything that's metal, and anything that's not, well, it has the 3M adhesive. With such a wide range of mounting options and an attractive modern look, anywhere you put this, it's going to be secure and look awesome doing it. And how about something new from Greddy? This is their new RS Race Catback exhaust, which we have in stock for many makes and models. Featuring 304 and mandrel bent stainless steel, along with being full 3-inch piping with a massive 115mm tip, this is an incredibly free-flowing exhaust. With that, you're gonna get power gains along with an aggressive exhaust note. Starting at just over $400 if you're wanting to upgrade your exhaust, or perhaps you're just looking for something different, definitely check out the Greddy RS Race. This is the RhinoRack Zenith 400-liter cargo box. If you've ever needed more space in your car and you don't want to sacrifice the performance or the looks, this is the perfect solution. With 400 liters of capacity, you can throw anything in there from your winter equipment, your summer equipment, or if you just need some additional space. Sitting below the cargo box, we've got it mounted to the RhinoRack 2500 RS. Sticking with that same sleek, modern, aerodynamic design, wind noise is virtually non-existent. Built specifically for your car and with a perfect fit, installation is a breeze and can be completed in generally under 45 minutes. For a storage and mounting solution that you don't have to sacrifice comfort, performance, or styling, definitely check out the RhinoRack lineup. This is the Compressive Tuning Smart Flow Radiator Shroud specific for the 15 Plus WRX and STI. Now, Compressive Tuning has taken the standard radiator shroud idea and greatly expanded upon that. Utilizing a 3-piece design, they've not only been able to force air through the radiator, but also into the airbox as well, effectively creating a ram air system. So not only are you getting more efficient cooling, you're also going to pick up a bit of power and lower intake air temperatures as well. If you're needing to upgrade the engine bay style along with maybe adding a bit more power, definitely check out the Compressive Tuning radiator shrouds. And one last late entry, these are the OLM Window Visors specific for the 08 through 14 WRX and STI. Now, installation on these is gonna be incredibly simple. You can probably do it in less than 20 minutes, and they do include the 3M double-sided sticky tape. Now, these are tinted. They're gonna look freaking awesome on your car, and they're functional as well. If you want a set of these, I highly recommend you check the link below. And that's it. If there were any products that piqued your interest, make sure to check out the links down below. I really appreciate you guys watching, and see you guys next month.